Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's episode I want to show you how I make chopped soy. And for the recipe we need a lot of baby bok choy. You can use any green rather than the bok choy, and then any veggies that you like. I am using carrots that I have cut them into thick strips, and then onion, again thicker strips just like that, and then some sweet peppers, which is red and yellow. You can replace these from any veggies that you like. And then we need some garlic mince, some chili, and for the sauce we need, this is just a little bit of sesame oil, this is oyster sauce, this is soya sauce, cornstarch, we need some water, and a lot of chicken. And to begin, I'm gonna start with the sauce, and this dish can be served over rice or over noodles. They both like good, they goes well. So I'm gonna start by adding this cornstarch to this bowl. I need a spoon. I don't know why the cornstarch is always stuck to the bowl as usual. And then I'm gonna add some water. Before I add anything, I wanna mix this cornstarch with the water so it can dissolve. And I'm just gonna use cold water. You don't wanna use hot water here. Okay, so that looks good. Now I'm gonna add soya sauce, and this is just light soya sauce. This is oyster sauce, goes in, sesame oil. So this recipe will serve 8 because I'm using approximately 4 pounds of boneless chicken thigh. You can use chicken leg, not chicken leg, you can use boneless chicken breast. I'm using boneless chicken thigh because the meat is more juicy. For this kind of the dish, I think it's better than chicken breast, because chicken breast is most likely you cook it less so that the meat stay tender. But this one is, I prefer it to be chicken thigh, but yes, go ahead and use chicken breast. So the sauce is ready, and now let's go to the stove so we can get started. So I have about 3 tablespoons of oil. It's hot enough. I'm using a non-stick pan. I'm gonna add this garlic and chili. And also I'm gonna add onion. I'm gonna cook this for like a minute or 2. And just make sure the heat is like high. On high heat, we're gonna cook this from start to finish. Next, I'm gonna add chicken. We need some salt and pepper that I forgot to show you guys. Some salt, and a lot of black pepper powder. Okay, so now we're gonna stir this and let this chicken cook until the chicken has some color. Next, I'm gonna add this carrots, baby bok choy. So now we're gonna mix everything, and now you're not gonna add any water or anything. We're just gonna cook as is. Veggie cook down a little bit, so I am able to mix everything. So I didn't add any water. The chicken gonna always release water, and then you're gonna let it dry. So if you're using chicken breast, it's gonna take probably like maybe 6 minutes, 6 to 7 minutes. But I use like chicken thigh, so it takes a little longer. Mine took like 15 minutes. So now we are going to add the rest of the veggies, which is the peppers. You can add broccoli, you can add mushroom, you can just substitute any veggie. Now we're gonna let this cook down a little bit as well, like a minute or 2. Now you can see the veggie is not cooked, like not softened. We don't want that to happen because now it's time to add the sauce. So after you mix the sauce, you have to mix it one more time because they all sit in the bottom. So now add the sauce. Mix. And now I'm gonna turn the heat over medium-high. The heat was over high. Because there is cornstarch, you want the cornstarch to cook. You don't want it to not cook and then everything get thicker like right away. Now you guys can see how beautiful all the veggies looking, the green, orange, red. It's been 3 minutes cooking now over medium-high heat. And now you guys can see our chopped soy has a little sauce. Now I don't want mine to be too saucy. I want it to be just like that. It's gonna be good either way, serve over rice and noodle. So you can see how quick and easy this dish is ready. My rice is ready on the rice cooker, in the rice cooker. I'm not making noodles today. By making noodles, you have to babysit the noodles, but making the rice in the rice cooker is just quick and easy, especially this is weekdays. So I am happy that dinner is ready and it looks so yummy. You guys, I want you to come close and see how yummy. Now mushroom will be good here too, but in my household not everyone like mushrooms, so I have no choice. Now you guys can see right here this piece of chicken that has a brownish color. That's gonna be mine. I'm gonna try this. You guys can see the smoke. Let it cool down a little bit, so I'm just gonna bite in it. I'm hungry. It's dinner time. Now don't think that I eat like this. I'm too excited. I don't know how I switch the fork upside down. So good. Obviously, I'm not gonna put this back in this pot, in this wok, but I'm gonna go serve this on my rice, and that's it, guys. You guys have to make this. Let me know if you like it or not. Doesn't matter, even if you don't like it, just let me know, so at least I know what kind of recipe you guys like. So written ingredient is down below in the description box, and I will see you next time. Bye.